We discovered an unusual options trade on SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI. As you can see from the charts, SoFi stock has dropped to a strong support price level on the last trading day. This support level held up at the beginning of the year. So will this support level hold again? Will SoFi bounce up or break down? In this video, we will analyze this unusual trade by a wealthy investor to help us answer this question. Because the rich have more access to information to know what will happen to stocks, that's why the rich get richer on Wall Street. SoFi Technologies is a fintech providing financial services through its technology platform, allowing members to invest to make more money and protect their money. This is why we follow the smart money by investing in the same stocks wealthy investors are trading, diversifying our portfolio to reduce our risk, protecting our money so our investments grow. Go to our website if you want to gain access to the trades of wealthy investors. Use the link at the top here if you have info cards turned on. So without further ado, let's analyze the unusual options activity to identify the trades of wealthy investors. For the last trading day, March 6 at 11:49 a.m., this wealthy investor was trading the March 22nd options, 8 strike calls and the 9 strike calls, 25,107 contracts. And this is the price that they traded at. They were buying the 8 strike calls for $28 each and selling the 9 strike calls for $9 each. So a quick calculation of the trade cost, 28 minus 9 means $19 per trade. And since they did 25,107 contracts, this trade cost $477,000. So why is this investor spending this much money on SoFi Technologies? Do they know something that we don't know? Let's take a deeper look at the option chain to find out more about this trade. So March 22nd, this is just 15 days away, so something could happen soon. So at the 8 strike calls, we can see 34,000 contracts for the volume, much greater than the open interest, so we know that these are opening trades. At the 9 strike calls, same thing, 30,000 volume greater than the open interest, so these are also opening trades as well. Since this unusual trade did not exceed $1 million in value, we followed this trade with a smaller position size to manage our risk, because this trade has a lower probability of profit in comparison to the $1 million trades we share on our website. We bought the 8 strike calls and we sold the 9 strike calls. And as we calculated earlier, this was a $19 trade. So when we analyze this trade, we can see on the risk profile for the profit loss, it is a vertical call spread. And on the x-axis, we can see the share price of SoFi, currently trading at $7.4 per share. If the stock goes down, we can see that there will be a loss. This is negative, right? We can lose at most $19 because this is how much we paid for this trade. And we can gain at most $81. Okay, so this is a favorable risk to reward ratio here, because if we take the max profit of 81 divided by the max loss of 19, we can see this is potentially a 426% profit trade here, where we can gain that much, but we can only lose 100%. So on the y-axis of this graph, when the blue line is below this 0, this means it is a loss. If it is above 0, this is a profit. And so we can see also from the Greeks, the delta of this trade is a positive. So we know that this is a bullish long trade. If it was a bearish short, this would be a negative delta. And the break even is right here, about 8.19 because the strike price is 8 plus the 19 debit, right? So it's 8.19 is the break even at expiration, where this stock needs to be above 8.19, which is right about here on the charts. And what's interesting about this price is that this is a resistance level here on a prior candle just recently. So SoFi stock would have to break this resistance by expiration to be profitable for this unusual trade. If you want to access higher probability of profit trades, make sure to go to our website. We'll put a link here because this trade is not considered high probability of profit in comparison to our membership trades. Let us know in the comments below what you think will happen to SoFi stock. Will it bounce from this support level or will it break down? As usual, please smash the like button and have a great day.